Wakey Bakie, my little potheads. Welcome to another episode of Wakey Bakie Island Tours, the channel where I get baked and I tour Animal Crossing islands. And today we're touring an island named WolfWillow. As you can see, there's a lot going on. I'm a little terrified at this moment. Our designer is a Ms. Nichole, and you can catch up with her on Instagram at WolfWillow_crossing. So, if this is your first tour with Wakie Bakie Island Tours, we welcome you. I'm your host, Wendy, and I'm baked. Oh, yeah, I'm high. And, yeah, I tour Animal Crossing Islands. Hi. Oh, my gosh. I'm not going to want to step out because you know what happens when you step out from away from the fences. Oh, gosh, I'm terrified. No. You can't make me go. You can't make me go. You know what happens out there. You stop in for a little potty break, you get eaten by a dinosaur. No, you can't make me go. No, ain't gonna happen. You thought I was kidding. Oh, outfit check. Actually, this really works. I thought, hey, I haven't worn the Tiger King in a while. Yeah, it used to be my favorite dress, but you got to remember, this dress, it came out at the beginning of the Rona, and we were all enthralled with the Tiger King. So yeah, it's been a while since I've worn it. Was feeling it. Okay, so we're gonna. You can't make me. You know what happens. You know what happens. No. No, 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 no. Oh. Stalling. I am stalling. Okay. I really don't know what to expect. The airport seems far away. Of course it is. Of course it is. Oh, there's so much. No, I have to go this way, but oh wow. Oh. Oh my, wow, wow, wow. Oh! We have prezzies? Son of a biscuit! Are you seeing this? Shut the front freaking door! Shut up! Oh my word. Oh my word. This entryway is something to behold. And if you look on the map, where right here is basically an island. You're landing, yeah, it's, oh, wow, look at the footprints. I mean, I'm terrified right now. I'm not going to lie. Poop, I am so terrified. But this entryway, just stunning. Oh my. Oh my. Ms. Nichole. Oh my. Oh my. And I am out. I mean, in the open. I'm not behind a fence. Anything could happen at this point. Okay, our house is Ms. Rain. Or Rain. We have Drift, Frobert, Jeremiah. I love Jeremiah. Actually, we had Jeremiah on our very first game because my son just fell in love with him. My boy was just a little guy at the time. He was obsessed with Jeremiah. Camo Frog. Henry. Oh my gosh. These villagers, I am totally obsessed. Okay. Sly, Roswell, Alfonso, Drago, and Boots. The most perfect villagers. How long did it take you? How many tickets did it take you? Wow. Just blown freaking away. This is going to be one heck of a ride, y'all. Okay. All right. Miss Nichole's house is all the way in the back, so wish us luck. Oh, no. I have to get that way. Okay. I can say I don't want to get off the paths. There's that. Oh my freaking word! Shut up! Oh my gosh, look at that umbrella. Shut up. Oh god, I have to, oh bugger. Oh wow. Okay, look in. I love the freaking umbrella. I mean, I don't like that creature because, well, they're mean and they spit at you. Okay, her house is behind the museum, so... Oh, whoa. Was that a person back there? Was I pushing? Oh, hey, cutie. You know we have to do my new, I'm running. I'm going to get you when you least expect it. She's right here, isn't she? Oh, nope, I'm still going. Where'd she go? She ran away. Oh, there she is. Oh my gosh, she's running from me. She's gonna have to turn around. Side-eyeing me. What a little goober. Oh. When dinosaurs ruled the earth. Shut the freaking front door. Oh, bugger. Over, down. I wish I could go over more. I am terrified, y'all. Okay. Her house is behind. Okay. I got sidetracked. I was off the rails. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Custom designs. But, okay, we're going to scroll in. Look. I want a dinosaur hat. Oh my gosh, I got prezzies, didn't I? Maybe I've got a oh, fart. Poop. I mean, I ain't done that in a long time, and y'all know it. Explorer shorts. Okay. Oh. I've not dropped it in a long time. It was, I just couldn't help it. Oh, okay. We know where this one's going, and it's okay. I mean, we have to. We're exploring the island. Probably going to get eaten by a dinosaur, but, you know, there's that. Okay. This is so cute. But I guess we can't give custom designs like this, but isn't this cute? I love it. Okay, can I get behind? No. No, I can't. Oh, can I slide through? Oh, yay! I'm a fan of that. Like, seriously a fan of that. Oh, okay, here's their house. Oh, my gosh. I mean, it is post 2.0, but there is not a lot of patterns, custom patterns going on the ground. But it's open. Kind of like they had in the movie. Oh, shut up. We're going out. I feel like we're going to be doing this a lot. Don't you think we're going to be doing this a lot? We'll be doing that a lot. Okay. We're going to her house tour. I love that it is this adorable dark hut. And it is flanked by volcanoes. Hey, if we touch the volcanoes, they go off, right? I thought they would. Oh, they don't. I forgot. People was putting stuff behind them to make them look like they were going off. That was stupid. I'm so high. I'm so sorry. Because I was high. Oh, shut up. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. There's so much to see. Okay, I don't want the door behind me. I want... What creature is behind me? I don't even know. Is it a T-Rex? No. No, it's one of them little hopper things. Look, it's gonna hop on me. Oh, bugger. You know what that means? Frick! I'm so overwhelmed. I'm losing my poop. There's going to be a lot of shocked faces. Every shot. Shocked face. Shocked face. If you've never toured with Wakie Bakie Island Tours before, I have a pattern when I do house tours. Oh my gosh. The foliage on the ground. Is this a custom edge that you did? Oh, Ms. Nichole, so many questions. You cannot do... Oh, the planters are on the wall. You can't do an island like this, a house like this, and not answer our questions. We will have so freaking many. Shut up. I just want to touch them. It's like we're seeing them in their natural habitat. I just want to pet. Oh, then she runs it with the spider. I do not like that, Sam. I am. I do not like that with green eggs and ham. I do not like that here or there. I do not like that anywhere. Sorry. A little bit of snark this morning. Maybe if I have a little more coffee. Oh, chill. Y'all are in trouble today because I not only did I bake, but I topped it with an espresso bean. Chocolate covered espresso bean. Okay, I gotta fix my headset. I'm sorry, it's giving me fits today. Okay. I love, where did you get this idea, Miss Nichole? I love, this is the most unique house tour I have ever done. I'm absolutely a fan. And I love that I'm not really scared too much of that animal. I want to reach out and pet him. This is like Jurassic Park on the cozy side. Like, upstairs is probably going to be terrorizing me, right? It's probably going to eat me. You know, there's going to have to be a lab. At some point, there's going to have to be a lab, right? Oh. Look. Oh, my word. I just want to... Oh, another bug. Always with the bugs, y'all. Always with the bugs. So cute. All right. Up the stairs we go. This really is, I mean, if you look at all the plants even that she has hanging on the walls too. the flower swag. She really did her foliage. Wait, did I do this? Yeah. Right? Didn't I? I better go back just to be sure. Crap. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I knew I did it. I knew. I knew it. I knew it. I knew I knew it. Oh my goodness. Because I was high. Have some more oregano. Mr. Fuckleston! What is this? For the love of all that is holy! Shut the freaking frack! I better hide. You better have a terrified look at your face. Oh, yikes. He can't get out, right? Hello? Well done, though. So well executed. I'm so freaking terrified. Hey, son. Can you hand me my purse, please? I have been savoring a little something, and today is the day that I am going to pull it out. Maybe, if I can find it. There it is. I have a leftover Lexible lollipop. It's not leftover, actually. I've just been hoarding it. Taking time for a little lolly break. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I'm trying to get this lolly open. Oh my goodness. This space is incredible. Kind of melty. It kind of got melty because it was in the car. And you know, we're like 5th shades of hell outside anymore, so. Oh, I love the turtles! I love the sounds they make. This is a cool idea. This was way cool. Can I go sit? Ew, no, because then I'll be in front of his head. I'll just come over here. Let's do the island stomp, because we're, like, really feeling this. Wait, you gotta be able to see it to appreciate it. I love the island stomp. And I love this space. I love the room. I love that you hung the fish on the walls. Oh my gosh, you even have the wooden fish on there. So stinking inventive. Good use of the twisty trees and the Sheffley, whatever that new tree is. Oh, and of course the glowing stuff. Well done. So well done. You even used like leaves down here and it works. Well done. Miss Nichole, you are amazing. Yeah, you're going to have to let me know. You're going to have to answer questions. I should, like, do an interview with you. Because I need to know how you came upon this. And when you started the layout, I mean, it seems to be very methodically planned out. Because now we are going to villager houses. Oh. Shut up. Let's do handheld. I mean, okay, so this is the same as the other side, the pterodactyls, just a different perspective. I can't go out anymore, but you know, it's pretty. It's a good design. Okay. So the villager houses start down here. We have one down here. Very methodical. Ooh, here's one. And let's go see if the villager houses are, any of the villager houses are done. Shut up. Aw, my girl's on. Oh, flip around, you little fruit fly. There he did. He did. Oh, my word. I am blown the freak away. Oh, my gosh. I can't wait. It's full blown. This is not a drill, people. Oh. This is not a drill, people. Full blown. Not a drill. I told you. Lots. Okay, this house looks like it's nobody's there. Okay, I love that they all have huts. I really, really hope that the dragons have huts too. They probably will, right? They probably will. Shut up. Look at that huge monster crab. Oh my gosh, so much to see. Oh my gosh, you did this all so well. Look, it's Jeremiah, son. I know, I told them how he was. We had him way back in City Folk. Little cute story I shared that we love Jeremiah. Jeremiah was a bullfrog. Sorry, I can't sing. He was one of our first villagers. Hey, look at that little freak. Okay, here we go. So, okay, past her house. We've seen that. I am loving how easy this is to navigate. Villager house. Oh, and now we got the gators. Gator. Shut up. This gator likes to... Ew. Ew. Oh, it's the T-Rex. Oh. I'm terrified. Oh. So good. So good. So good. So good. I mean, you just gotta love an island tour where all the houses are done and just so stunning. Oh, I love the volcanoes. So cute. I love that it's raining. How long did it take you to get on a rainy day? Shut up. Girl, I am so... Shut up, shut up, shut up. So many good choices were made. I don't think I should be scared of that dinosaur. Maybe I should. I don't know. But I'm not for some reason. Is he a veggie dinosaur? Isn't that what Lex said? She called it a veggie dinosaur. I had a vapey vape. I think she did. That's what she called it, a veggie. Like I needed to be any more baked, right? Oh my word. The best one yet. Shut up, 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 shut up. It's the best one yet. Can I... Oh, it's so hard to get all of us in it. Oh, well done. Well freaking done. What a lovely surprise. What a lovely surprise. I loved that. Mm-mm. 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 I really probably don't need any more today, but can I slide back? Oh, no. No, no, no. Okay, so there was this... The beaches are just overgrown, which I think I would kind of expect that. Oh, I can go all the way around. Oh. Nothing's really back here, but this probably... Oh. This is kind of scary. Like, maybe King Kong would... They'd come to find King Kong here. I'm surprised they haven't... Have they come... Okay, I haven't seen the new one, but like a gigantic pithecus... Is that what it's called? Gigantopithecus? You know, the big, giant ape. Oh! Hey guys, you little fruit flies. I really am surprised. Oh, well done. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. I think I'm outside the perimeter. I don't know. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Oh, shut up. I mean, empty beaches. Oh, poop. I don't want to do that. But, hopefully I will be rewarded with a good picture here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It looks like he's eating from the tops of the trees. It's perfect. Just perfect. Ooh. What? Oh! Are you all seeing this? Oh, my word. Oh, girl. Stunning. Oh, beautiful lookout. Oh my word, I can actually go in and walk among them. And I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of liking this. I know I should be absolutely terrified. But I want to pet him. Oh. I love it. I'm going to see if I can make him come to life with some sparkles. Sparkles. Oh. Girl, I am ooh, centipedes on the ground. I am obsessed. I know I should be terrified. I can't even get a good shot. Oh no. Go back. Go back. I can't get a good shot. Poop. Poop. I can't get any higher. And it won't let me. Oh, poop. I'm never going to get a good shot. So good. Oh my gosh. Okay, look over on the ground. Can I get over there? It won't let me over. Oh, let me back over. Is it because it won't let me over? Because okay, it wouldn't let me hop because I was... It won't let me hop that far, but there's poop on the ground. I'm going to get a picture. It's poop. It's poop. It's poop. I wish we had a vomit. We are not feeling that. Yeah, we have to be shocked. Poop on the ground. That's poop. I'm such a child. So, the bestie and I were talking today, and we have a theory. We have a theory. We were the first, or my generation was the first gamer generation. And so, oh, God, this is stunning. So the boomers, they really kind of shamed us, and we had to keep our gamer stuff on the down low. But you all, like in the millennials, like you were raised with it. Oh, I love that. And y'all just are so, like, you're just so accepting of your gamer tendencies. You're not embarrassed by it, and it's only like the Rona broke me, so that's hence Wakie Bakie was born. But oh, it's her entryway. Oh, still amazing. I love it, and it's this entryway. I don't know if you can tell, or if I didn't do it justice before. I bet the freaking flyover is incredible because we are flanked, and so we're actually like in a sunken-in spot here. Just incredible. Okay, so now let's go to this side. Oh, look at our campsite. Shut the freaking front door. But first, let's walk over here. Hey, hello, fruit fly. Enjoying the tour. Shut up. So then we have a freaking dig. Shut up, shut up, shut up. First of all, shut up. I am obsessed with all of it. Oh. Oh. That's actually pretty cool. Oi. Okay, let's climb down. So this is our campsite, but it's actually like an archaeological dig, and it's her workspace. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to take that. Drop it. Oh, drop it. I didn't mean to take it. I'm so sorry. But how cute is that? You can pick stuff up and take a look at them. I am such a fan. And then this goes to her housing. Oh no, back to her resident services. Okay, so did we see her? I saw the one. We saw her museum. I love that. Oh my gosh. Look, okay, babe just woke up. Look at the freaking umbrella, babe. Is that not terrifying? Oh, I can't wait to go to her kiosk because I just know. Oh, look, it's the perfect gift shop. I love the dinosaurs on the tables. The dung beetle model rolling poop. Oh, I love the flank by the pergola. I mean, we can't go under it, but still very, very cute. And this walked back to her housing. So well thought out. Dang, girl. Oh. Oh. Oh, look. Yeah, okay, this is how we came. This is where we were before. I didn't get eaten. I feel pretty good. Y'all, I think that was it. I believe we have seen all there has been to see. on this island. Yeah, good lookout. So many good views. I just loved it. All right, y'all. Can I sit down? Yeah. Oh, you fart head. Bugger. I can't, it won't make me look. Oh, well. I was going to spin around and sit because I get, tired after a long tour. Alright, y'all. I just want to thank you for joining us for another episode of Wakie Bakie Island Tours. I have to thank our designer. Wow, Ms. Nichole, this was freaking incredible. We're not worthy. You are playing a whole other game, and I am in awe, and I am just so grateful that I got to tour. I want to thank all my Wakie Bakie peeps out there. Y'all, I love y'all. Thank you. If you have an island you'd like me to tour, please drop me a note down below. I'd love to tour any and all islands. Remember, catch up with Ms. Nichole on her Instagram at WolfWillow_crossing. WolfWillow freaking rocks! Jurassic Park core, my total new jam. I'm obsessed. I loved it. I thought I was going to be terrified, but I loved the way you handled it. I loved that it was all easy to navigate, and I even got to get off path and not get lost or stuck too much. So that made me happy. Thank you, Ms. Nichole. Remember, y'all, it's hard out there. So get your bake on and play some Animal Crossing. I love you. I'm out.